You get startled?
No.
And I found something you might be interested in.
No.
Just saying.
This is a pack of cigarettes.
Oh, well, you got a cigarettes?
For now.
Well, might be able to make a sweet deal with you.
Oh, shit.
I mean, it'll be the easiest pack of cigarettes you ever made in your life.
That sounds good to me.
Okay, let's go.
All right, let's do it.
It's right over here. It's right over here. I just want you to have a bite off of that, and I'll give you a pack of cigarettes.
Oh, man.
It's a whole pack of cigarettes, dude.
How long is it? I mean, there's no mold on it.
Doesn't that sound like an awesome deal?
If
How bad do you want a cigarette? You know what I mean?
badly enough that I'll eat non-moldy pizza.
Let me see. Let me get a good shot of it first.
Yeah. I mean, look at the curvature on it.
Yeah. Holy shit. No, you better not eat that. You'll get sick. I'll just give you cigarettes. You don't have to eat that. Come on. Holy fuck.
I would too.
You can't be getting sick, you know what I mean? Normally,
I would take a bite out of it.
Normally I would just let you, but then what? Now you're in the Donecker all day and no transmission's getting pulled out. There's got to be a rusty 15 in here somewhere, you think?
Oh, I tried finding
First one I found.
No way.
First one.
Hell, man.
Right there.
You got the touch, apparently.
Well, a lot of times when I'm looking for stuff, I'll try to have my eyes open. I find it helps.
Yeah, it typically does, yeah.
Fuck, they come out easy with a fucking rocher, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
With the proper rocher. Oh, f yeah, bud.
It's fucking sweet. Coming out so easily now.
I can't believe you're gonna eat that for fucking cigarettes. The robot cocks just don't do it for you, eh?
I don't have any of those left either. Actually.
Oh no! You fucking sucked all the half-chooched robot cocks?
Fucking sucked them all.
Holy fuck. I might have a handful of those left for you too, maybe.
Oh, fuck.
See how this fucking trammy comes out.
Yeah.
Hey, if you're fucking around, well, maybe you can go another day and a half without cigarettes. How about that? Hey, yeah. That sound fair?
That sounds fair.
That's a good wheel bearing right there. I hate scrapping good parts, but they don't just come off.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
some of them just don't. They don't wanna.
That's a good one too, motherfucker. I don't know, I probably should have let him eat that pizza for cigarettes, because that's a pretty good deal. But, I don't know. What if he got sick and ended up in Donecker and I gotta pull the transmission out myself? That. The intent was there, right? The intent was there. So. Oh no. Are you being safe?
Oh no, just playing video games, you know.
Nice.
Oh,
You love robot cocks, buddy.
oh my god, do I ever. Robots call all the f***ing cigarettes.
Yeah.
Oh, what did I do to deserve this?
Oh, I don't know. You didn't eat that pizza.
Yeah, that one's
probably,
off now. So
probably
both,
not a good idea. What's off?
Both lines are free.
Right on.
Both the fucking things are free. Stuck. Jesus.
Oh no. Oh, we got low power because of the...
Just trying to fucking crank the alternator on that.
Okay, where do I gotta shut all this off here? Oh, we got codes.
No. It's bracing.
Texas mixed cigarettes.
Texas mixed cigarettes. Oh no, what are we doing here? Reverse 180. Nice.
They do that a lot in Texas.
Ah.
In like places like Texas, they do that. You know what I mean?
Oh fuck. Surprised the fucking tires can handle that shit. Nice. Oh shit.
Very little power steering. Tight.
Oh, she's a little stiff there, eh?
Not bad.
Not bad at all though.
But yeah, I don't know what to do. We should jump it. Should hit this turn.
yeah. Boom! Right in all the frames. Oh, shit.
Do we need to check you for urine?
No. No, I've been in some crazy
adventures.
Full. Yeah, one guy.
Cops and different dudes involved.
Oh, just one dude, no cops, because they just wouldn't chase him.
Oh yeah.
Doing 120 in like city corners.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, f
Oh, no.
Smell that for a cigarette.
Oh no, not a chance.
Just taste the brown piece in
No.
the middle. It's like one of those Tootsie Rolls, or Tootsie Pops.
I'll eat that pizza. I'll have no problem eating that pizza. That though, no.
Oh yeah. We need to get your good plier, buddy. I need this antenna off there. Fuck. Oh, there's French fries and all kinds of stuff in here. You want to eat them?
All the good ones, eh?
It's right on the seat. That's probably a bum fry.
Oh, underneath it.
Yeah, if I was gonna ask myself what that was, I would think I was a bum fry.
I'll take 35 cents a change.
Ouch! Fuck my skull! Holy shit!
10 cents there. Holy fuck.
You know, it pays for itself.
Oh man.
Just in change.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So many elastic bands over here too. All the colorful ones. Is that nail polish or always?
Scores. It's always a good day when you find the fucking asshole. Otherwise, that's a pain in the ass to get off. Easy.
Oh, no
Piece
shit,
of piss.
eh? Yeah. Okay.
Can I just get you to move your, pull your car forward a little
Oh, yeah,
bit? These are going to pull their horse shit in the yard here and get them on their way. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. Okay, straighten her out. Stop. Stop. That guy is having fun. I should have gave you 3 cigarettes to get those rockers off.
3 cigarettes.
Yeah. Times are tough, buddy.
Oh, fucking time's up.
Who's that?
Yeah.
Hey, I just had an idea. I'll give you a deal on parts if you eat a piece of pizza I found in a car.
Why was that?
I'll give you a deal on the parts if you eat a piece of pizza I found in one of the cars.
Yeah, I don't want to be in the hospital next 3 months.
Well, he was going to do it for a pack of smokes, but then I thought, if he's sick, I'm not going to have anybody pull parts, you know what I mean? Just burning out the angle grinder. Terrible. If that was my angle grinder, I would flip out. We have a bring your own tools policy here in Inwood.
the only thing that's fucking connected by. Yeah, bud.
Oh, you did it.
Yeah, man. Right.
Good alternator right there.
Yeah, bud.
Parts.
Oh, yeah, just throw it in the shipping container with the pile.
Yeah, just frisbee. It's your fox.
So yeah, I'll have to come grind. I burnt out my fucking Makita grinder or cutter.
No doubt.
Yeah, I was just like, wow. I think it was older and fucking shit. Took a beating for the longest time. I guess it's finally time.